Hmm. 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 Oh. Oh wait, what? Hmm. Oh wait, what? Oh hey. Okay. Hello everybody. My name is Marshall. You can call me by my last name, Aaron. So if you have clicked on this video, that means this video has potentially caught your attention. So as an YouTuber with only 600 subscribes, it's clear to say that I'm you, allegedly, because both of us have one thing in common, and that is our brain's second thought. So, by second thought, I mean our second mindset. Not just the main mindset, but in a better way. As a YouTuber who gets around 2 to 8 views average in every long form video he makes, which costed me countless hours and efforts to create. I feel demotivated. But all those negative thoughts about deleting my channel because I don't get enough views, uh, will this ever work out for me? That's just all from my first thought, like the direct thought I get. But at the end of this, I'll just think in my brain, like every human brain is designed to think the negative thought first before using his experience and stuff to meet the negative environment in a place where he can peacefully work with a positive mindset. I call it learning from the little things. If I had gave up on my goals, my dreams, I wouldn't be here speaking to the entire internet about all the kind of things. And I know there's someone out there who's still suffering for some kind of negative thoughts like this. Well, you're not alone. In the world with 8 billion human beings, everyone is suffering for something like this. We all have negative thoughts, which can be replaced with the positive ones. But to do it, you must believe in yourself first. If you keep on doubting on yourself that you will never have to do this, you're just not built for this. Maybe tomorrow. There's no tomorrow. It's you versus you. And I'm not here trying to tell you some motivational lines to get you to like start. I'm here to tell you the exact way on how to grow to something better. Because your videos can give, I don't know, in the first week, month, or even a year, in videos where you spend countless hours, your heart and soul into those videos, and it did not go how I expected it to. I have been there. In fact, I'm still in this loophole, and I know how it feels. All those negative thoughts of ending my channel. Maybe this is just not for me. Should I just quit? Or will this ever work out for me? I just think that's design. Sorry, sorry, and then for our, I just Our brain's designed this way. We cannot do anything or do it. But the only thing we can do is adapting to this. We can turn failed marks, failed subjects, with uh, like A pluses. It's not kind of like the same way our exam works. You replace those negative thoughts with the positive ones. You failed, maybe it's something you can learn from. This didn't work out, maybe this wasn't meant to be the right idea. Build your brain in a way that it responds to failure with it will respond to your all your failures and everything in a way that you will like keep on going on this pace. You will not stop. Even with me, we can only get like 10 views, I think, on a long form videos. I just kind of mindset on me. I replace all those failures with the progress. Yes, that's the right way to respond to your all your failures. You respond to failure with progress, not results. Results are something you learn from, and progress is something that leads to success. We wake up every day, look at your videos getting 2 views, 3 views, or nothing at all. That's not failure. That's just something to learn from. You do little improvements every day. Change a few things you do. Try to find out what you did wrong. Analyze your videos. That's how you make a successful channel. One last thing. Yes, constancy. You need to be consistent with all the improvements you do, those little things you do, those videos you make. You can't just make one video, be discouraged, and you know disappear for another 5 months before you realize you want to become something big by making YouTube videos or a successful account, channel, or a career. You need to be consistent about all those uploads with those little improvements you do. The key word to being successful is being constant. Master one skill. It will help you with mastering the other one. Master the other skill. It will help you when you master the other one. It's a loophole that will actually work you for long term. It's just how it works. So even after all of this failures and stuff, I didn't give up. I replaced all those negative thoughts with positive mindset. You don't get the perfect environment. You make the environment yourself. And someday you will rise as high as the moon. Mm, you will look back one day and say it was all worth it.